And welcome back to the Real World Garage. We're back today working on the Camry. It is time for an oil change, but we're not talking about how to change your oil. You probably already know how to do that, but you may not know how to get one safely up on the ramps. So we're going to discuss how to get your car safely on the ramps. You need to center the ramp on each front tire and begin to slide the ramp until it makes contact with the tire. Alright, this is when using a front wheel drive car. You will hold the brake, gently put the vehicle into drive, and begin to slowly bring the RPMs up. And control your ascent with the brake. Let the vehicle slowly climb, modulating it with the brake, holding the RPMs at a steady pace. Just like that, you're on the ramps. And once you're on the ramps, secure your vehicle in park and set the parking brake. Then you'll want to take and place a wheel chock to prevent the vehicle from rolling backwards behind your rear tire. We're here to talk to you about the merits of high mileage oil. Is it worth the hype? Does it work? Yes, it does. What I need you to keep in mind, whenever you're beginning to use some high mileage oil, you need to look at your cap, your oil fill cap, or look in your owner's manual and see the rating of oil it takes. As you saw, this takes SJ or higher, which would be alphabetically further down in the alphabet. And what I have chosen, I found some on sale. Napa, not a sponsor. This is rated as SN. So this oil is applicable to be used in this engine. Now let's talk a little bit about the high mileage oil. If you followed this channel and you followed this project Camry, you saw that this engine came out of a 96. And put it in, of course, in the 99. So what was known about this engine is that it was using approximately a quart every 1,000 miles. So, and we changed the oil approximately every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. So this thing was actually changing its own oil in between oil changes. So I moved over, when I installed this engine back in the car, I used Castrol high mileage oil. And in 3,000 miles, I've only added a half a quart of oil since moving to the high mileage oil. So, does high mileage oil work? Yes. It does a couple of different things. It has higher concentration of cleaners. It works to keep the oil control rings free and moving, and to scrape the oil off the cylinder walls. And it also works to keep your seals conditioned and soft so that they don't leak oil. So we're going to go ahead and get this oil dumped in here, and we're going to keep going on this test to see if the high mileage oil works. As of right now, it's working perfectly. I haven't, like I said, I added a half a quart in 3,000 miles, so I'm well pleased. Thanks for coming and hanging out in the garage with us again today. Does high mileage engine oil work? Absolutely. It does exactly what they say it will do. Now, if you'd like to know more about working on your own automobile, watch another video coming on the screen right now.